Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to change WhatsApp background wallpaper. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap on three dots from the top right corner. Go to Settings. Here you will see many options. Tap on the chats. Then tap on Wallpaper. Now tap on Change. Select what kind of wallpaper you want in your background. Choose an image you want. Then tap on Set Wallpaper. And you will change your background on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to change the background on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.